In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets Squarespace. We'll walk through creating a ticket product inside Squarespace so you can take payment, collect attendee details, and get your event live without any extra tools. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. From there, head into your site's dashboard, then select Go to Website so you're inside the website editor and settings area. Once you're in the editor, look for the website section in the left panel. Open that, then choose Products and Services. Next, go into Products. This is where all of your sellable items live. If you see a tab for physical items, that's fine. We're not using it for tickets, but you may land there by default. Switch to the Services tab since a ticket works best as a service-style product in Squarespace. Click Add Product, then pick Service. This product type lets you customize details, collect form responses from buyers, and avoid shipping settings you don't need for an event. Squarespace will ask where you want this new product to live on your website. Select the page or collection you want to place it in, like a shop or a tickets page you've already created, then click Continue. You can rearrange it later, so don't stress too much about placement at this stage. Now add your ticket details. In the product name, enter a clear title like Ticket. In the description, briefly explain what the ticket includes. For example, the event name, date, time, venue, and any entry instructions. Keep it concise, but specific to reduce questions at checkout. Update the button text to something direct, like Buy Ticket Here. That call to action appears on the product page and in product lists, so choose language that makes it obvious how to proceed. Open the Forms section and create a new form. This is your chance to collect attendee information at the time of purchase. Add fields for the buyer's name and email at a minimum, and consider a field for attendee names if someone is purchasing multiple tickets. Keep it short so checkout stays quick, but gather what you need for check-in and confirmations. Head to Images and add an image that represents your event. This could be your poster, a venue photo, or brand artwork. A strong visual helps the product stand out on your site and on social. Use a clear, high-resolution image that looks good when cropped. Go to Inventory to set the price and manage availability. Enter your ticket price and make sure the currency is correct for your store. If your event has no capacity limit or you're handling limits manually, choose Unlimited Stock. If you plan to cap attendance, you can set a specific stock number instead. But for this walkthrough, we'll use unlimited stock. You can add sale pricing or additional options later if needed. Open the tax prompt and set up automated tax. This ensures you're collecting the correct taxes on ticket sales based on your location and the buyer's location where applicable. If taxes don't apply, verify that in your commerce settings before you go live. Move into marketing, then open the SEO and URL settings. Give your ticket a concise, searchable title and a clean URL that matches your event, like Thought Ticket or another short, memorable slug. Add a brief SEO description that summarizes the event and includes the date to help searchers understand it at a glance. When everything looks good, click Save to store your work. To make the ticket live on your site, click Publish. If you're still preparing assets or coordinating details, you can choose Save as Hidden, so the product is active but not visible in navigation. And if you want the ticket to appear automatically at a specific time, use Schedule to set the publish date and time, handy for coordinated launches. That's it. You've created a ticket product, added the essential details, connected a form to capture attendee info, set price and availability, configured taxes, and polished your SEO. Publish when you're ready, and your visitors can start buying tickets directly on your Squarespace site.